Just downloaded a Notion template and it looks complicated? If it includes more than one database, take a moment to explore it first. Many creators add descriptions, instructions, or even a video tutorial. Read it carefully, seriously. If you accidentally delete or break a database connections, part of the system might stop working. Hi, I'm Volha. Let's figure it out together. If the template doesn't include a dedicated page with all databases and there is more than one, I still recommend creating one yourself. Make a separate page called Databases and move all main databases there. Don't touch them directly. On dashboards and in other pages, use linked views instead. It keeps the original structure clean and safe. Now let's talk setup. You can use a template as a standalone workspace or bind important parts into your personal dashboard, your homepage. Think buttons, charts, or database views. This helps you keep your key info in one place. For buttons, just copy and paste. That's it. For full database use, you have two great options. Link database. Type / and select the required type in the database section. Then select link to view of a database. Choose the database you need, and if the creator added pre-made views, you can use those too. The customized filter, sorts, and layouts however you like. Sync blocks. If there is a section you want to reuse, like a chart or format view, wrap in a sync blocks. Copy it and paste into your dashboard. Any updates will automatically sync everywhere. This way, your dashboard becomes your control center without breaking the original system. My favorite trick: buttons page. I love buttons, especially on mobile. I want quick access to everything, so I create a page called Buttons just for that. Sections like Journal, Tasks, Help, and I copy the important button there. Now I can open one widget on my phone and access everything in one tap. It saves time and keeps things simple. You can even link the page on your home screen. Find the core database, journal, project, habits, whatever it is. Create custom views, filter, group, color code, change the icon, cover, layout, make it yours. Remove what you don't need. Hide extra templates, collapse section, simplify. Less clutter, more clarity. And now your Notion space is clear, powerful, and truly yours. If you like these tips, especially the databases and buttons ideas, leave a like and drop your favorite Notion trick in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye!